Come on in to Betsy and Donald Miller's kitchen garden. Today we are planting for the cool season. It is September. We have plants that have been growing in this garden, some since February, most of them since March, like this humongous tomato trellis. We have 2 tomato plants on this trellis, and it is just giving and giving and giving some more. You can see all of the tomatoes that are green, and we're waiting for them to turn. We're keeping all the tomatoes in this garden even as we prepare for the fall season. We've taken most everything else out. We've got tomatoes here. You can see this huge brandywine plant that just keeps giving more fruit. So we've trellised this up, we've twined it. It's going to stay on the trellis, and then we've cleared the rest of the garden. We've added compost, we've added a little bit of earthworm castings, and now we're prepping for the cool season planting. So we're adding a couple little flowers along the border, bringing in some color. We do have some places where we can't yet add, or we're going to maybe even wait or pause to add new plants because the summer plants are just so full. Like this Exhibit A right here, African blue basil. This thing is humongous. If you come in close, you can see about 500 bees on this thing. So even as I sit here, I can see probably at least 30 bees, and they are all shapes and sizes. There's tiny little insects. This thing is like an insect hotel. So if you're looking for a plant that is going to bring the bees to your garden, this is it. I mean, it is amazing. So we're keeping this because we love it, and we know that the bees love it too. So we want to keep the bees happy as long as possible. We've got some bell peppers here that are still producing. We just picked the most perfect red bell pepper. I'll have to show it to you in a second. We're adding things like violas, pansies, snapdragons all around the garden. Here we have some basil that is going to seed. We're trying to decide if we're going to take it out or leave it. You can see how the bees love it. We have these very prolific jalapeno plants. We picked a lot of these peppers, but we're going to leave the plants because peppers, jalapenos especially, are like a tender perennial. They really want to keep producing far into the fall. They don't want to stop producing unless there's like a big cold frost. So they'll keep pumping out peppers for a very long time, so we're going to keep them in the garden as long as we can. I'm going to show you all we've picked so far, but first check out the Nicole Arch trellis. We put this into the garden in February. It is planted full with all these cherry sun gold purple tomatoes and is just flourishing. Look at these gorgeous, these are called Midnight Snack, and the color on them is so awesome. I love the dark purple. So these will keep growing at least for another month or 2 until we get our first frost. Then you can see this bed is really nice and cleared out. You can see how we're laying out the flowers around the border of the garden. This trellis is nice and open, so we'll plant peas on this one. And we'll go ahead probably and plant some peas right along that trellis as well. Now, let me show you what we picked so far today. It's like Christmas in here. It is red and green, orange and yellow. It's so beautiful. Look at this perfect red bell pepper. Another one and another one. Then we have all these gorgeous big tomatoes. Betsy has been picking tomatoes since June. It is now September, June, July. That's like almost 4 months of picking tomatoes. Lots of jalapenos in here as well. And all these plants are still going. So we'll let the tomatoes and peppers keep producing, and then we're going to come in here and plant everything for the cool season. Lots of greens, some spinach, some rocky top lettuce, peas, radishes, and even some beets. So stay tuned. We'll keep you posted on the progress of the garden. But this is what's happening so far today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.